The way we love content, we're even shooting on New Year's Day. Happy New Year's, guys. Anyway, welcome to Glenn on Cars. In this video, I'll be doing a POV drive to the Rock Raceway. I will be taking one of these two cars. This is the famous Golf GTI TCR. It is called the chicken farmer in the streets. Well, I don't have to introduce this one. You can read the number plate. Yeah, you guessed it. I'm taking the Audi. So this is the Audi S3 8v2. And I feel like it's more comfortable to drive in, and it's a Quattro. I'm going to a racing event, so I stand a better chance at driving a Quattro Audi S3 than a Golf GTI. Well, there's just one little problem with this Audi, and you're about to see it right now. Yeah, I know, it's bad. So yeah, let's hit the road, guys. So I'll show you a cool trick. I wanna do a cold start. I'll show you a cool trick that I learned. So what you have to do is, instead of starting the car immediately, you put the car on, right? And then when it's on, you ensure that it's on dynamic. So there we go. Now I'm on dynamic, and then you press on the brake and then the accelerator a bit, and then you press the start button. As you can see, I have a few error messages here. My car is due for service, so you see the car batteries, the remote keeps on saying that it's battery low, but I just changed the battery, so I think it's the battery of the car. So one thing about these cars is that when the battery of the car is flat, it just starts hallucinating error messages here. So this is the front right tire. As you saw, I'm traveling with a basket, and then it's telling me about brake wear, but I don't hear any squiggly or anything from the brakes. So they'll probably have a look at it because it's currently due for service now. Yeah, so as I promised you guys, I'll try by all means to drive below 80 kilometers per hour, because that's what it's recommended by the manufacturers of my spare tire. But if I get an open road somewhere, I'll just put it on dynamic and do some accelerations, just so you guys can hear how it sounds and how fast it accelerates. I think there was an accident here. Probably the famous brand hit the Palisades. I know it's advisable to hold the steering with both hands, but if I'm driving this low speed and the road is as clear, I don't think it's as important. Yeah, I'm really hating my check engine lights that are going on here, but I've booked it for service, so this light will be going away very soon. let me put it on dynamic. I'll decrease the speed a bit and then I'll accelerate back to 80. The moment you put it on dynamic, you can even feel the exhaust just open up. The car just becomes stiff, basically. And the good thing is that it's in the rain, right? But I don't have any fear of sliding around or anything like that. I can just flow it and it just goes. Just because it's a quattro. Like, I don't know, guys. Maybe I'm just an Audi fanboy, but I feel like this is how all cars should be. Like, you shouldn't have a car wherein when it's raining you hesitate to do some things in your own car. Like, nah, guys, nah. I really wish I didn't have a spare tire, just so I can show you guys how this thing moves. So yeah, you guys just subscribe and I'll do another POV video and you guys will see how this thing moves. I'll have changed the spare tire obviously, and I'll find a day where it's not even raining, and then yeah, I'll make you guys experience what is it like to be in an Audi S3 8V2. Okay, let's go back to efficiency. Some guys have confidence in their cars. Look at that guy just flying through the rain. Yeah, now I'm pretty sure the event will be cancelled. So we'll just go there and just chill. Because basically it's a car thing, it's a car culture type of vibe. So even when it's raining, we're gonna find a nice chilling spot and then we just chill, talk cars, compete and all those things, like debate about whose car is faster than whose and all those things, you know. So we're traveling on the N3 and this is one of the most dangerous roads in South Africa, but not in this area though. So all the way going down to Durban, that's where it becomes dangerous. So we're arriving, as you can see it's still raining, so definitely the event is cancelled. But I called two of my friends, they are there already, so they said they're just chilling there waiting for the rain to pass. So I'll just join them and just have a chillers. That's Audi gang. That's the Audi gang. Yeah, there are dams everywhere on this road. Oh, it's crazy. So I'll actually do something that the famous car brand can do. So I'll do a launch control in the next robot, just to show you how stable the Quattro system is in the wet. So the sequence dynamic, traction off, and then you put the gearbox to sport, and then that's it. So when we get to the robots here, these robots are never working. In fact, the conveyor can just upside. The 1st of January, when everyone is ready to come see cars and race their cars, it decides to rain. Obviously I was not going to race my car because of the spare tire, but I normally race my car here at the Rock Raceway. I really enjoy the track. It's very nice. Another thing that this car has that I really like is this matrix lights. I don't know what they're called. Matrix LED lights, something like that, where they're adaptive. So based on how the road is looking, based on the lights that are coming in, it can dim one side of the light. As you can see now, it has dimmed this side. And when this car pass, it will automatically fill up the whole road, which is very cool. I know a lot of cars have it, but I just find it cool. It looks like the rain here was massive. I should have put it on dynamic for you to hear tunnel sounds under the bridge. Yeah, so we are here. So this is the Rock Raceway. As you can see, there's absolutely no one because of the rain. I don't know which side this is. I think we're inside. So let's see. as you can see, there's definitely no one. It's just a Kia Picanto. Oh yeah, here are the boys I'm looking for. So let me go out and say hi, and I'll just show you their cars. Yeah, bro, how's it? Good, man. This is Zweli.
This is fastest RS3. No, famous RS3.
Okay. I'll link their Instagram and their YouTubes. So this is the S3 and this is the RS3. This is a very, very loud RS3. Let me rev it up for you guys. Hopefully this guy wants it. Hello. Ah, this thing is loud. Oh. So this car is actually not lowered, guys. It's just sitting on 18-inch wheels. Ah, listen to that RS3. Well, these two cars are just black by nature. They're so black. So that it's not just that it's dark here. The cars are just dark themselves. Yeah, so this is where the video ends, guys, because there's nothing that's gonna be happening from now on. We're all just driving home. So as soon as I get home, I'll be editing this video and posting it for you guys to see. So yeah, this is it, guys. Please subscribe to this channel, guys. We're just trying to grow and give you guys raw content and nice content. So please just like, comment, subscribe, so that we buy more camera equipment and we post more quality videos. We have a lot of video ideas that we are planning to shoot, so your support will be very much appreciated. So yeah, thanks a lot, guys. Cheers.